Okay, so first thing what people see is the specification tree. Over here,
Mm.
you can see these are steps that you have followed. Pocket,
Yeah.
one single pocket, one single pocket. So in the previous example, when I did these two in one single shot,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
just
Right.
reduced one step here. This you can't do anything.
Yes.
Yeah, this also this yeah, this what I have done. I had done something else for this. Yeah, this also this three things we have done it together, right? Multi pocket.
Okay.
So you could have reduced one, two, and three steps
Mm.
directly. Okay, so now second thing what they check is this things constrained? Yeah, it's constrained. Good. Okay, so you can reduce the number of steps over here if you
Okay.
could combine it together.
Yes.
So always keep it in your mind. Always
Mm.
reduce the number of steps. You don't want more steps. See, these are small parts, but the moment you get some complicated part, complex part, that time you can't imagine doing like this because there are a lot of
Yeah.
problems that you have to face. So right now, start doing like that. Just see how to reduce, how to make it as minimal as possible.
Okay.
This also we had done few steps. So this one, two, okay, three, okay, four, okay, yeah. So that's one of the options for this. So now let's see the constraint part, whether it's constrained or not.
Mm.
Double click, you'll go to the sketch. Okay, yeah. So it's constrained. No one more, right?
Yeah. You have a smart question with this model.
Mm-hmm. What is your question?
Uh, in the drawing on the side view, the height was given as 75 mm.
That is the
But
width,
when I yeah,
certified.
the width. Yeah.
Mhm.
But when I tried 75, I couldn't include the 20 radius fillets, like the corner in the other side. Um,
This,
if you rotate the no, not this. Yeah, you
this
see these
circle,
corners,
so
right?
corners.
No,
This
not the circle. Yeah, this one.
uh,
So those are each 20 radius, and then in the
15
middle there's
radius.
a
15, na, check. 15, right?
uh, no. I found that it was 20 in the drawing.
Okay. So, what
So
you remember what I did? I done some other thing. No?
so I modified the width to 80 mm, and then it fit.
This is the thing, right?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
20. You have given it 20.
Yeah, because the width is now 80 mm. In the drawing, it was supposed to be 75.
Okay, like that. Width is increased, huh? So
Yeah, I increased the width so that
the
to accommodate the 20 radius.
no, no, you should never do such a thing. Okay, they'll kick you out of the company if you do such a thing. You're never supposed to do that. See, these
Yeah,
fillets are not important. Okay, you're not
right,
important in
right.
the sense you have to see what purpose it's serving. Okay, here
Mm,
if you see here, this is a main component. And one more thing, see
yes,
when fillet all these things right. So what you do is what I did in the previous example was the same thing. I'll just show you this as normal view. Here we have the normal view. See what you have to do is see if this is 20. or else if it's going out, what I did is I drew a line here at 75, and I just trimmed it off. Okay, I just trimmed it
Okay.
completely off. So little, even if it is point 5 mm outside, it's okay. But
Okay.
you are never supposed to increase the size of this. No matter what happens, you're not supposed to change the model height like that. We
Yeah.
have no authority to do that.
Fillet is not a critical part, so we can.
Yeah, it depends on the product what you're doing. So in this, like
Yeah.
fillets are also important, whatever you're doing. So always make sure. So how much width
Mm.
you gave for this? Never do that, huh?
80 mm. Yeah. Yeah.
Because it's very what do you say? It's a very wrong practice.
Okay.
You'll be straight away fired from the company if you do such thing. Is that serious? 40 you gave. It is supposed to be how much? 35, huh?
Uh, yeah. 37.
75, right? 75 or 70?
37.5. Yeah.
No, how much? 75 or
75.
75. So just give 75. Number block 75 divided by how
2.
much? 2. So do this. And just okay. 75 divided by 2. Enter. That was there. Okay. So now
Yeah.
let's see. So this is note this. So over here, normal view.
Yeah.
See,
It's protruding out a little bit.
see this. It's okay. Width is not changing. It's 50 itself. That's done. It's correct. That's it.
Yeah.
So never do that thing. Never see whatever dimension they have given. Make sure you maintain
Yeah.
it because see even now also
Okay.
you can't see any difference, right?
Yeah. I can.
So in the model also they are not specifically saying here it should be zero distance or something like that. What they have given this is
Mm.
20. As per the drawing this is 20. As per the drawing this is 75. As per the drawing everything is there as per the drawing. Right? We
Yeah.
have not
Yeah.
changed anything. So just for the sake of fillet, if you increase the width of this, it's wrong.
Okay.
Okay, so in the drawing also it's like this only, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
So that's.
because yeah. So don't ever do such things because we don't know the criticality of the product. But here we know
Yes.
whatever dimensions they have given, we have shown it. So here you have this explanation. It was not
Mm.
specified, but everything else is as per the dimension. So the point on it might have come up. So they can't do anything. So they can't complain. Okay, your part is safe. But if you do something like 5 mm, if you increase, they're like, what the hell? They have this inspection report. In the inspection report, as per the drawing, they do the inspection. So in that drawing, they'll see the length, breadth, height, thickness, everything. So in that, the moment they say 85, the product is rejected outright. Outright, they'll
Yeah.
reject the product. Okay? So it's very important. That's what in the first classes I was saying. A designer can make or break the company. Understood?
Yeah. Yes.
So that's it, right? Three models.
Yeah. That's it.
Good. You're done really well. Beautifully done. Oh, I think I closed it. So we'll do one more example. I think,
Sure.
yeah, we'll do this one. So you can take screenshot of this.
Yeah.
Once you're done, you can say done.
Yeah, I'm done.
So just see how you're going to do this. I need you to do this in a simple manner. Very simple manner. Like, I don't want you to complicate this. So just think what are the ways in which you can do it in a one shot or simple manner. This thing actually takes more than a hour for or like when you're doing normally.
Okay.
So just think how to simplify it. So how are you going to solve this?
Um, just thinking about it.
Always remember, like first initial thing, selection of the plane
Mm.
is very vital for doing it. Whether you want to do it on the top plane, whether you have to do it on the side plane or the front plane is very important.
I'm thinking maybe we should start with the top line.
Top plane, no?
Yeah.
Why do you think so? Top plane.
I mean, and it shows the like the profile of the part, and then
See this one more thing,
once we.
one more thing. Let's be clear with this. See wherever
Mhm.
it's written section A, right? Section view.
Yeah.
This is not at all the top view. This is section view. Okay, this is the
Okay.
cut section view. Cut section means see here they have said section A. So you have to search where this A is. Over here you can see A and A. So what they have
Yes. Yes.
taken is they have taken a knife, they have cut it here, and they have shown you what
Okay.
is there inside.
Right.
Okay, so this is the internal view. So don't call this top view. Okay, this is not.
Okay.
It doesn't come among any of the views like left view or top view or something. This is just the cut view or the section view, just to show you key what is the depth of the hole till where the hole is going to make us understand that they have done this. So here you can see
Okay.
this big hole is going through. Here we have two
Yes.
smaller holes. See the smaller holes. It's going to
Yeah.
certain height. It's not going through. It's going to some certain height. Over here they are going given. I don't know. They have not specified the height. I believe. Here they have given two holes M6 deep 20 deep they have given. So over here also it's like the slaughter's through hole. So to make us understand that they have shown the cut section. Here they have shown it as white. That means here also it's empty. Empty yani here you can see this point is empty. So like that you have to see.
Mhm. Okay. In that case, I would still start with the profile view so that
Okay.
we can get we can get the basic shape of the part, and then start pocketing out the holes
Mm-hmm.
and the slot.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a trapezoid type pocket at the bottom,
Exactly.
so that should also be pocketed out separately.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Then, so here is a place where you'll get the confusion. You'll be like a little confused with you.
yeah.
Can you share your screen and your cat is open?
No, it's not open yet.
Okay. Or else we could have done that. You could have done it straight away, and I could have checked it from you. I think that option is there. You can do the screen sharing, and you can just do it in your Catia,
Okay, one second.
because that'll be better, no?
Yeah.
Is it open now?
It's still open. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see the screen now. You can start doing it.
Okay.
So while doing itself, you can just say what you're doing, how you're planning, all those things. You can just briefly explain and do it. So you get some more
Yeah.
clarity in what you're doing.
So yeah, I'm starting with the section view.
Mm-hmm.
I feel that's the simplest profile.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Uh,
See, just do one thing. Just delete this,
okay.
and instead of doing so much, take straight away take profile command.
Right.
Yeah, just draw random sketch. Make sure it is straight, and don't do that. Don't make it like that. Delete it.
Okay.
See, when you're doing, don't make it touch anywhere. Don't make it constrained to anything. Just random sketch. Yeah, yeah, correct, exactly. Yeah. Now double click on dimension. Now give the dimensions. Constraining part after this, however you require, you do it. Okay. Before that, don't constrain it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All the dimensions are given. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this 30. Okay. Now give symmetry. Allow symmetry using dimension. Don't delete. Remove dimension. Double click. Double click dimensions. Double click dimensions. Double click.
Mhm. Yeah, I did.
Okay. So now select this edge. Yeah. Select this edge. and the other edge, right click, right click. Now go down, allow symmetry line. Vertical
Yeah.
line you click. Yeah, good. Now same thing you
Okay.
repeat with the this idea. This and this, right click, allow symmetry line and the horizontal line. Good. See?
Okay.
Perfect, right? It took
Yeah.
a few seconds, that's it. The other way around, if you do rectangle, rectangle, unnecessary waste of time, and again you'll have difficulty in constraining, then you have to delete unnecessary lines. So this took you how much time for doing? Few seconds, right?
Yeah. Few seconds.
Yeah. So do it like this. Then yeah, what? How much is the width? They have given
62.
62. So 62 divided by 2, simple. I think you give 63. I think I didn't see properly. Just check that.
No,
Oh,
62 by 2. 31.
okay, okay. Okay, next.
Okay.
Do it.
So I can.
You can do anything. Just do it. If anything is wrong, I'll let you know. Just start doing it. Don't wait for anything. See that though you have to do it. Okay. Yeah. Bottom thing also you can just select rectangle and just do it.
I'll try the position sketch.
Yeah. Click that. See. Wait. First rotate it. Rotate it. See how it is. Vertical. Yeah. Yeah, which position you want it to sit? That you see. Keep first. You want it like this. You want the image to
No,
sit like this.
I want it like this.
So first, how you want it to be in the sketch plane, like that you first rotate and place it here. Yeah, you want it like this in the sketch plane? Click that, you do it.
Yeah.
So now it's correct, no? Then vertical and horizontal. I can click OK.
Okay.
So that you do always, like how you want to place it in sketch plane, like that you rotate first, then you keep that thing.
Okay.
Start doing it.
So first I thought I've given access. Okay. Can I project this line?
Yeah, you can do that. Just yeah, it's done. But why? I don't know
Mm.
what purpose it serves.
No, I'm trying to do the trapezoid thing.
But okay, now see there again you're confused. So
Okay.
just see where the trapezoid is coming. Exactly where the trapezoid is coming. That's what I was explaining in the starting. How the hole is, how the elongated hole is, how they have why they have shown the this thing section view. See in section view you can see this here bottom they have removed so much. So here they have removed. So there's in the cut section it's empty. Wherever it is white, that means that place is empty. Wherever this hatch is there, that means that material is there.
Material is there.
Huh. So here you can see this is empty. Here you can see this is empty. Here also you can see white and white. So this is the bottom side, right? Bottom side only 6 mm something they have removed here. And this thing what you're talking about it's on the top side, not on the bottom side. 37 where you gave there this material they have removed. The trapezoid shape, not here. Here you can see this is
Uh,
yeah total lines. Okay, so that means it's over here, not over here. Okay, is that clear? So just study the drawings a little more carefully because you're not supposed to make such mistakes. Here they have shown the cut section view, right? Cut section view here they have shown you. They've shown this is a white
Mm.
area. This is a place where it's going to get removed. So you should never get
Right.
confused with that.
Got it. So in that case,
Nee, 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 wait. So you can see this now. Over here, this material is outside. So why it's happening? See, if you are doing it from this face, okay,
mhm.
if you do, you will get straight slot. Okay, okay, you do it, you'll understand. Do it, continue. We learn from mistakes. Now you do it. Do it the way you're doing it.
Okay, I'm trying to do the slot at the bottom.
Okay, that you can do.
Yeah,
Yeah, that time you give symmetry. That's it.
yeah.
Just drag it. That's it. Limit two. You just pull it out.
Somehow I'm not able to drag it.
Nee, nee, the thing is you have to hover it. Hover your cursor on limit 1 or limit 2. Limit 1 or limit, not the arrow. That is for reverse the direction. See, limit 1 is
Okay,
written, right? Limit 2 is written. Just go near limit 2. Yeah,
right.
just drag it.
Oh,
That arrow mark is for reverse direction.
okay.
So that's done.
Yeah, so the bottom is done.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Next step.
okay, I'm thinking I'll do one second. The holes and the
Mm-hmm.
slot.
Mm-hmm. Symmetry with respect to not that. Just say, just give dimension. That'll be more than enough. 20 that I'll give.
So the dimension was on that line.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm thinking I should use multi-pocket.
No, not required.
No?
This is through hole. See, through holes you don't need multi-pocket. Just drag it throughout. That's it. Multi-pocket is when you're using multiple holes you're creating. This is all
Yeah.
through, right? Yeah, it's
Yeah,
not
this
about
is through
required.
holes. Okay. Got it. Okay. So the slot in the hole is done.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so this trapezoid, it's on this face, right?
Yeah, just observe here, na. See here. It's on this
I'm sorry,
part.
I can't see your screen.
I'm telling in your draft. My cursor, I think you can't see. See in the section view, you can understand here. It's on the top side. The reason where it is given, there it is.
Okay.
80. Okay. So do it on that face. Done.
No. Okay, I'll constrain it.
Hmm. You need do dimensional constraint only. Double click on dimension. Do that is the easiest way you can do it. Double click on that. Just select those two things you select. Within a fraction of a second, you can constrain it and you can dimension it. Nee, symmetry you can give na.
Yeah,
Point,
I gave symmetry.
point and point. Okay. Okay.
I gave it to these two lines.
Mhm.
And now I'll
What you
control.
not lines? Just press Control Z. Those two endpoints, the top line endpoint. Endpoint. This one you did, huh? Yeah, like that you have to
No,
do.
not.
That is the right way
Okay.
to do it. Now down those 2 points. And you gotta use dimensional thing only. Don't go there. Now you see,
All right.
double click on dimension thing. So Ram say everything you can do it with respect to that. Double click. And this
Yeah,
at
I
the
did.
edge. This and the edge. Yeah, right click. Apply coincidence. On top also same thing. This coincidence. Okay. I find something is missing. This is 37. This is how much? Yeah, 24. 24.
Oh,
Yeah, now it's okay.
okay.
Hmm. Anything left or no? See the height, how much it's going? 12.
Well,
Yeah, okay. So, yeah. Turn the screen recording off. Uh, Okay, so we'll just do this. So you got an idea, right, how to do it?
Yeah, I got an idea.
Okay, so we'll do this. So basically, I will just select any of the sides, side plane, front plane, or something. Then select
Okay.
this. We'll go to sketch. Like I said, we'll just straight away use the profile command. Then make sure, only thing you have to make sure is it's straight. Okay,
Yeah.
rest all the dimensions, everything, it doesn't matter at all. Just whatever you want, you can give like this. Anything, it should be straight.
Okay.
Okay, like this you do. Okay, after that, double click on dimensions. Whatever dimension they have asked you, that you give. This is 37. Enter. This is 44. Enter. And this is how much? 20. Enter.
20.
Anything else left out? Total
The
distance.
bottom
Total
100 mm.
distance.
Yeah, per.
Total distance is 100. Enter. Then select this, right click, allow symmetry line, select your vertical line. Then you have to select this and this, right click, allow symmetry line, select your horizontal line. So now this part is in center, or else
Yeah.
Control Z, Control, let it be. Control Z, double click on this. These two things you make symmetry with this, so it'll look much better. Okay, this thing, as it
Yeah.
is, I done this. Now after doing this normal pad, no change in that. Just how much? 62. So 62 means straight away you give 62 divided by 2. Don't waste your time. Double click on this. Here you have this mirror command. So give mirror command. So that job is done. Then
Yeah.
after that I'll select this top side. Top view I'll select. I'll go to sketch. After this, see this is rotating. I don't want this. I'll take my, see first I want this in this, okay, normal view, hidden view. Where did it go? Some bug.
Mm.
Control Z. Control Z. So I want this to be like this. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll take my position sketch. Here it is. I'll select this plane. Here vertical is this side. Horizontal is this side. I'll swap it. Reverse vertical. Okay. I'll give. Now got the view. Now again I'll take the profile. I'll take this here. I'll just randomly inside so that it's much more convenient for me to do it. So
Mm.
this one small, this one big, this one here. Okay, that is done. Circle, one circle here, one more circle here. See, some constraint is going, so you should be very careful of that. This one circle here,
Yeah.
and here we have this elongated hole somewhere here, like this. Now once this whole thing is done, double click on dimensions. So we know this is 24. We know this is how much?
37.
37. Okay. Now we know this and this. Right click, allow symmetry line. Place symmetry with this. We know this and this. Right click, allow symmetry line is symmetry with this. And we know this and this is coincident. And this is again coincident. This circle is at a distance of 20 from this side. The circle is at
Mm.
a distance of 20 from this side. And this circle is at a distance of 12 from this side. This edge is at a distance of 12. Enter. Same thing for this. Also at a distance of 12. enter. Okay, now I'll select this and this. Right click, allow symmetry line. I'll select the horizontal. Okay, leave it. One new delete. Delete one. Yeah, fine. So that is symmetry I gave. Then we know
Okay.
12 is given. Then 44. So just give this and this. 22. Enter. Now what is remaining? This one's this is 20. This is 20. Enter. Then what is 23 from here to here? 23 from here to here it is 23. Enter. What else is there? The radii is how much radius they have not specified. They given 8. Double click on this. We give 8. Enter. Anything else left out in this?
Uh, Radius of the
Radius of the
circles.
circles. So this is M6. 6 we give. M6. 6 we give. This one is how much?
10.
10 again. 10 here. Enter. Now once everything is done, exit the sketch. Straight away use multi-pocket here. You know this circle is going through, not this. This is going to a height of 12. So give 12. Okay. This circle, Choto circle is going through. This elongated hole is going through. This is done. These Choto circles, it's going to a depth of how much? 20, na?
20, I think.
Yeah. So give 20 here. Then one more circle is there. Choto circle. Also going to a height of 20. Okay. Everything is done. Click OK. So you can see everything is done. All that remains is that elongated hole. So you can just take position sketch, vertical, horizontal, correct, like we wanted. Here we can do that rectangle. Just a random rectangle you draw. Double click on dimension. Everything with dimension you do. Straight away this and this. Right click, arrow symmetry line with respect to the vertical. Double click on this. This and this. We have 6 mm. Enter. And the total width of this is how much?
50.
50. Enter. So this is also done. Exit the sketch. You can take normal pocket for this. Just drag it out. That's it. You don't have to give any specific dimension for that. Click OK. So
Okay.
your work is done. Anything left out? Are we missing
No.
anything? So here we have cut section view. Where here somewhere it is there. Here somewhere you'll find it. Pull it out. Yeah, here it is there. So you can select this plane. So you can see the cut section. So this is a
Yes.
section view what they have shown. See wherever the hatch is there, their material is there. Understood? Where it is empty, there's no material over there. That's easy, right? Not complicated.
Yeah.
So one shot you can do it. All these things with one shot you can complete. So just do this as assignment. Okay, practice this some
Okay.
more. Try to do things much more simpler manner. Because if you see now in the specification tree, you have 1, 2, 3. Within 3 steps, we have completed it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Any doubts?
No. No doubts as of now.
Yeah, we'll wind up for today. Nobody else is there.
Okay.
We'll start the other topics tomorrow. So it'll be more convenient for them. Okay, is that fine?
Sure. Sure.
Yeah, chalo then. Let's wind up for today.
Okay.
Good night then.
Thank you.
Yeah, see ya.